Hey, welcome to the video. My name is Pawan Rajput, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my top three learnings that I learned after spending 5 lakh rupees a month. Okay, so even if you are managing 50,000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees, whatever I will tell you in this video, my top three learnings. You make sure you implement these learnings into your business so you can grow. And yes, I'm all these learning I'm implementing, and I'm getting really good results into my business or my clients business. They are getting really good sales. So at the end of the video, I will give you very bonus point, and make sure you watch this video till end for this particular even bonus point. This is a really important point you should not miss, and you can't afford to miss that point, bonus point. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen, and I will give you small proof about yes, I'm spending 5 lakhs rupees. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see on my computer screen here, I would like to show you how much I spent just for you, and just I'm refreshing it. Okay, so if you think that yeah, this is not my ad account, I do have multiple ads account. In this particular client's ad account, I'm spending that much of money. So guys, if you see here and you see that, let's say last month, let's see of November, November 1 to 30, and let's update it. Here you will see 5 lakh monthly ad spend. Okay, so now you guys have trust about on me. Yes, I'm spending 5 lakhs rupees a month on real estate marketing, on real estate ads. So now I will share with you what I learned after spending 5 lakhs rupees a month. This is not just about 1 month. Okay, so if I go with you lifetime also, so you will understand. Yes, I'm spending very good amount. It's completely 21 lakh rupees so far I spent in this particular ad account. So let's talk about what I learned. One learning that I learned is that always go through testing phase. Yes, so if you're into real estate, so any kind of business, okay, but basically I'm especially talking about real estate business. So whenever you have a new project, and you don't know, you don't have real data. Okay, so you don't know whom to show ad, whom not to show ad. Okay, you don't know cost per lead you will get when you run ad on Facebook. Okay, so you need a data. Okay, initially you have to understand who is my ideal customer, and what's working and what's not working. Okay, so for this you have to create a testing phase. So what actually is a testing phase? Okay, so little bit I will tell you here, and how you can implement I will tell you, and you implement and you will see the amazing results. So let's go. So first of all, testing phase is a basically where you understand what's working and what's not working, and in which you have to create any kind of objective campaign. Okay, suppose you are into real estate business, right? So your main objective in real estate business is a lead. So here what I will do is that I will create a lead generation campaign, and then each is then one that particular campaign I will create a different like suppose a 5 or 10 or 20 or 30 or even more than 50 ad sets I will create, and each ad set I will add only one interest level targeting. Okay, interest level or demographic or where whatever you wanted to target, whatever you wanted to test, you add those into those ad set. So suppose you create a 10 ad set, and you have different, you wanted to test these different level of interest. Okay, and each ad set you must need minimum three ads. Number one is video ad, number two is image ad, number three cursor ad. And make sure you run the test and minimum for 7 days. Okay, so when you run the particular testing campaign for 7 days, you will understand what's working and what not working. So you will understand which particular ad set is giving me low cost per lead, and which ad set is giving me a high cost per lead. Okay, so this is how you work. And once you understand, okay, this particular ad set is very costly, just you have to turn off, you have to optimize it. Okay, so now you one thing understand, but in real estate business you also need to understand the whatever leads are generating, even the lead is at 30 rupees, or there are lead who are 300 rupees. So you main goal in real estate business is not just a lead. Okay, it's all about quality leads. So what actually quality leads means, when you call someone and someone say yes, I'm interested, share me detail of the project. Okay, let's talk, and you can take my follow-up. So this is a quality leads. Okay, so you need this type of lead. So even if you pay, if you spend 100 rupees, that should not be matter for your business. So don't just focus on 30 rupees lead and 100 rupees lead, and don't turn off those campaign who are giving you 100 rupees lead. They might be they are giving you 100 rupee lead, but they are also giving you micro conversions. Micro conversions are the like actual site visiting. Okay, so like you generate 100 rupees lead, 10 leads, and out of 10 leads 8 people visit the site. So you need this type of lead who actually visit the site and then they convert. Okay, this is the process. I will tell you more about the process as well. And another point, but as of now you have to understand testing is really really important. You need to understand what works and what doesn't works. Now you understand which audience is working good. Okay, very important point, you have to note that after 7 days you need a sheet. So your telecaller team will provide you sheet. Okay, and in that particular sheet, telecaller team, the person who manage all your data should mention, okay, this particular lead is quality lead or this particular lead is not quality lead. And you will understand this lead came from this particular lead came from this particular ad set, and this lead is come from this particular ad set. Now you will understand, okay, this particular ad set is really good as per the quality, and this particular ad set is not good. And then as per that you optimize your testing campaign. So hopefully you understand how you have to run testing campaign. You must have to walk through your testing phase first. Okay, testing phase, another point you have to test is that ads. Okay, so now you understand my best audience. Now you have to understand best ad for that audience. So it might be a video ad, it might be a image ad, it might be a personal ad. Okay, so you have to test and you will understand, okay, this ad giving me really good results and this is not giving me not good result. You just have to turn off them and you have to focus on really really working good ad and good ad set. So at the end of the 15 days or 20 days you will have a amazing winning ad set and winning ad that you can use to scale your marketing results, to scale your leads flow. So this is how it should be worked on. So if you wanted to know what actually it is and how you can further use this more, I would like to recommend you to watch this particular video about ad funnel, Facebook ad funnel. So you will find the link here, or you might find the link onto my channel. So please check out my channel and you will find the ad funnel, Facebook ad funnel video. My number two learning is that after spending 5 lakhs rupees a month is that you have to use law of average. Okay, so law of average actually is that uh, let's take an example. Okay, so minimum you need 1,000 lead a month in any kind of project you work into a real estate business. Okay, so you need 1,000 lead. Out of, let's suppose, just let's suppose out of 100 leads are not quality leads, those lead are completely waste of money and time. So you just ignore those leads. Now you have a 500 quality leads, and out of 500, 250 leads are really like they are interested. They understand the project, they understand the price. Okay, so they understand everything. Now they just wanted to visit the project and they will close. So let's suppose you have this type of people 250, but even after 250 there are only 50 people who actually visit your site, and out of 50 people you close 5 deals. So this is a law average. You have to calculate in that manner, and this will also help you to set up your ad budget. So even you don't have any kind of fixed ad budget, you might thinking, okay, my budget, let's try with 50,000, then you increase. So don't do any kind of other method. I personally use this strategy to set up my budgets for any kind of campaign. Okay, and as per the law of average you have to give yourself a target. Okay, so for in my case what I give myself 100 leads target. I give myself 100 leads target. That means I tell myself, okay, I need this particular project per day 100 leads, anyhow condition. So my calculation is very simple. I generate 5,000 leads. Out of 5,000, 250 leads, 2.5k leads are worst, but this is not actually happen. I'm just telling you law of average. Okay, after 250, only 500 people are interested, or 100 people visit, and out of 100 we close 10 deals. So this is how it works. So keep in mind and use this law of average and you will surely grow, and this is what actually I do. So now you understand how to use law of average. Number three learning that I learned is that strong follow-up and automation. You need a automation and you need a strong follow. Okay, this is very important point. So if you are spending 5 lakhs rupees, if you are, even if you are spending 50,000 or 1 lakh or a 10,000 rupees, you need a automation. Automation is very important. You need a strong follow up. Okay, so like if you are not taking any kind of follow up, you are leaving money onto the table. You have money into in front of you and you are not taking follow up, you are losing. Because nowadays people are really busy in their work, they are procrastination so much. So you should take the follow up via emails, via SMS. So for this, what I suggest to, I will suggest you two tool for automation. I will suggest you Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is basically tool which help you to automate your workflow. Like suppose you have a lead into your Facebook lead ads and you wanted to store this particular lead into Google Sheet. Now you can automate this thing. Okay, and whenever you generate this lead, you send them email, you send them an SMS. Okay, so this level of automation you can do with Pabbly Connect. This is just a medium to connect different softwares. So you need a software here. So for email marketing that I personally use is a Sendinblue software I personally use, and this software has a very important point, or we can say that very beneficial point is that it provide a SMS. Okay, is provide SMS automation. So this is really amazing thing. You can should try. And if you want to know about this software more and tutorial type video, then I have already created. So watch this video, you may find the link here and above. Okay, so watch this video and you will understand. Okay, so you can set up your email automation. Okay, so one thing you are you have to understand that when you spend this so much of money into your ads, you are getting tons of comments, you are getting tons of leads. So you need this automation tool to help you to manage your all work. Okay, so this is very important. I would like to give you a very bonus point, and this is very important point. Point is that whenever someone submit their contact information to your business about your product or service, you should provide the information about your product or service immediately, as soon as possible. You have to provide. The best method is to provide all the information is that email marketing. Okay, so use this email marketing, provide information immediately, and you can close the deal very fast. So it will surely help you to grow your business. And if you're also managing 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees, you may also learn this lesson. So hopefully you like and this is what actually I'm doing, and this is what I learned when I spend this so much of money. So hopefully you like this video. Please comment below which topic you would like to learn more about in real estate business or any kind of digital marketing topic. I will create a video for you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So see you in another video. Thank you so much.